Hey guys, it's the girl Anello. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do the low ponytail with 2 braids in the front. So keep on watching. I will jump straight into the video. Okay, so we're going to start off with our hair open like this or whatever. And so we're going to start looking crazy like this. Anyway, so like I do, just to start, I do a middle part because the braid is gonna be in the front with the low ponytail. You guys, please don't. I'm trying my hardest to part this the best way I can. So hopefully this is good. I think it's good, right? It's good. And then what we're gonna do is part a little one right here, going all the way down. Okay, we'll clean that up. That's just like so. Just like this. Let me take this and just like, see? And just twist it in for a second, just so I could part the other side. Then I'm gonna part, this side. I just want to start off like in the same, part. So we're gonna part this one too. It's very okay. Then I'm gonna put this up in a ponytail so we can start braiding or whatever. So comb this out. And I'm gonna go in with some of my jam just so my braid could be neat. And this is the shine. This jam, it keeps your hair nice and smooth. So, okay, now I'm gonna start braiding. Let me see. Start braiding now. So I start from the top, just like so. Hopefully you guys can see. And I'll keep braiding. You gotta grab 3 strands and just keep braiding and working your way down. Just keep braiding, just like so. Just like this. And this look I do like if I'm like trying to like not do anything much to my hair, because it literally takes like 2 seconds. And I braid it all the way down, just like so. Keep braiding all the way down. See? I like to stop at a little while after a little bit and just comb it up because sometimes it gets tangled. And I keep braiding all the way down. Just like this. Just like this. all the way till you reach the end, guys, until you reach the end. So till I can't grab no more, and I can, and then after like I twist it, like curl it, not twist, curl, can't speak today. Then I uncurl this one. Ooh. Grab my comb, start combing it out. You always start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. So now I'm gonna get the gem again, put it all over, just like this, just like this. Just like this. And then I'm gonna start braiding. I'm trying to make you guys see how I'm braiding. I normally get 3 sides, you see. One in the middle right here, and this one right here. Then I keep going just like this. Keep braiding it all the way down. When you braid, you grab the hair. You keep grabbing here to add. So go all the way down. All the way down. Just like this. Just keep braiding, just keep, then I stop, comb it out, continue to braid. And I keep braiding. And I keep braiding till I reach the end. See if we still have a good way to go. Okay, so I did my part, you know, decent or whatever. So today is Labor Day. What are you guys doing? What is y'all plans for today? Let me know. And then I'm gonna take the back out like so. I'm gonna get a little bit of my gel, not too much, just a little bit, because we just want the back to look nice and straight or smooth. We want to have a little bit of, just a good amount. Put some in the back, because we're doing a low ponytail. Okay, brush this up like so. Keep brushing. Guys, see how easy this is? And then I'm gonna grab these two and put it in. Just like this. And grab my scrunchie. Just like so. If you guys feel it's not good enough and you need to be brushed more, just brush it. Yep. So I'm gonna grab it and keep putting it in. I wrap my scrunchie like 4 times. And then I pull it tight. I grab my brush again and I brush. Just like this. See, I don't need to do nothing with my curls because it's good. So, yeah, guys, this is the thing. Let me turn around so you guys can see. See? Don't need to do nothing. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, guys, so now this is the finishing look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what other video guys, I can't speak. What other video you guys want me to do, and I'll do it. And hope you guys have a good day. But okay, toodles.